Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you a function question which have appeared many times in past DSAT. Okay, so what you can do here is the function is given as a to the power x plus b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to fx has an x-intercept at 2, 0. Okay, so when x equals to 2, y must be 0, and y-intercept at 0, minus 255. What is the value of b? So it is very much simple. Whenever you see this type of question in DSAT or in real test, I recommend do not do in the scrap paper. Just open Desmos and just put the value and take out the answer as fast as possible. Okay, how you can do? Just simply look it. So first of all, we'll write the same point which is given with x-intercept and y-intercept minus 255, and simply just copy this. This fx is also known as y1. As I have told you in the previous video, I have explained why it is, and as you can see that x1 plus b. Now we are told us to find the value of b. The value of b is minus 256. Okay, it is so that simple. I hope you liked the video. If you have any doubt, please comment down below.